We have spoken a lot about kind of healing techniques, manifestation techniques, and the kind of bracelets. So we have come to the last part of the interview. Tell us, ma'am, you have spoken a lot about kind of manifestation, healing, and everything. So I have seen that in order to avoid all kind of negative things, or in order to upbring our positive things, so we should always try to ignore the negative things or just slip it away by just saying some kind of words. Okay, ma'am. So daily we are facing a lot of troubles. We are facing a lot of obstacles. We are facing a lot of issues. Of course, we are moving towards the positive direction, but in between there are a lot of things which is coming and blocking us. So at the time, what are the switch words we can use daily, like from morning till night? We are going to school, colleges, or work, or anything. So what kind of things we can use, starting from the kids to the old age people, ma'am?
Basically, as I have told earlier, for any negative thought, if it is coming in, you can say cancel or cut, so that the negative thought is not popping in. As well as to attract lots of wealth in your life, you can chant divine count now, or you can even chant Italian switch word, that is Lui Teclia, or you can even write divine code on your left hand, that is for urgent money. So that is 897 with blue pen or green pen. You can do this every day, so that there are more chances that you can manifest urgent amount for that specific day. Okay, even if that code is light, again you have to write it. The more time you write, you are going to attract those blessings in your life. You can even write one divine code for wish fulfillment, any kind of wish fulfillment, or you can even manifest money through that, that is 176. Okay, so such kind of divine codes really help you to manifest your desires in life. As well as here, I would like to tell one technique, which is Ho'oponopono. This is ancient Hawaiian technique which was introduced by Dr. Lane. You can even search for this story. You will get it on Google as well. So basically, he wanted to treat mental patients, and he was not in such kind of situation to really, go there and treat them. So what he did, he just chanted those 4 magical words of Ho'oponopono just by looking at the photograph of the patient and saying it. And within 3 or 4 months, all those patients were normal. Now, what are the words that you have to chant is dear. So if you're manifesting money, then you can say, dear money, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now, the main thing what it does, it cleanses all the negativity and it attracts positivity. Okay, because we are always cursing money since childhood, as we have seen a lot of problems in our family in past, or all the ancestral stuff is coming in, when we have seen our parents, our grandparents, our family members fighting over money. Many times divorce happens because of money, and sometimes the blockage is stuck in our mind since childhood, which is affecting us right from today. Many times we say that money is the root cause of evil, or else we say that, rich people are bad, or rich people are doing some kind of shady stuff to get money. But it is not like that. These are all beliefs. Money is just a pure energy form which we can manifest. So, in my money mindset class, in webinars, I teach all these things, that how you can really remove those blocks and manifest money, and bring that richness from within to attract wealth and abundance in your lives.
So we have discussed still more lot, and very last question is, if any message or any things, that information that you wanted to share to the people of the world who are watching this Woman Today's channel right now. So being a woman entrepreneur, what kind of message would you like to pass to the people who are maybe watching this video, starting from the kids to the old age people? So tell us any kind of common message that you would like to convey to the people via this interview right now.
Yeah, the main message here for all the ladies or for anyone who is watching this video is, get out of your comfort zone and don't think what people are going to say about you, because that is the major block coming in front of you, and which is stopping you to get that success in your life.
I think this is not only for the women, but also for all the men, for all the kids, for all the old age people, for any age category. No need to worry about what other people think about us. Only the people who want to think about us is us only. So whatever we need to achieve, we should start visualizing it, doing actions in it, so that we can achieve according to the manifesting techniques which we have discussed already with Sejal ma'am over here. Now we are in Pune, and today's our guest is Sejal ma'am, Cosmic Connect. So I'll mention her Instagram link down in the YouTube description. So if you have any kind of doubts, do comment in the comment section. And thank you once again for watching this video.
Yes, thank you so much. And really, change your behavioral pattern so that you can change your life.